bibulldoza baleese mamba zonna bazimazeeyo. Ensonga lwaki naddala abakyala, kubanga abakyala ke kalulu kange mukimanyi bulungi nnyo wano akalulu akange kayimiriddewo ku bakyala. Ate mambi omukyala ye muntu asinga okutya, batya mangu era mbasanze beggalidde mu mayumba. Nyina olutalo olw'okuva wano ate nzireko mu mayumba ngende nga mbakoonako ku nzigi zaabwe mbagende nti mujje mukole ki mulonde. Ekyokubiri, abaana bange abaggeto bato bange bangi. Abaana abo bano abakuuma ddembe olubatunulako bwe bati babalooza baziba misango. Bankubiddeko nga polisi zansi okujjula buli wamu wonna mu ggeto. Abaana bonna beekwese tebasobodde kujja kulonda lwa intimidation. Bakoze akakodyo k'okutiisa, naye gendayo tujja kukola ekisoboka abantu baffe baveeyo, abakyala n'abavubuka bayenyigire mu kalulu kano. Sweet cake nteeka okuwanika ebbango, oli omwami, waliwo omwami yagamba nti ne bwozina essaawa 20 naye mugamba nti naye ne bwazina essaawa 40 Kawempe ey'amambuka talina gy'agenda giraza. Eno ya sweet cake, abantu balogoota na gaali. Of course ebitongole ebikuuma ddembe tulabye abantu abali mu bibombola by'essirabanga nako. Emmamba ogireetera ki mu by-election? Eno constituency y'abantu bakkakkamu kubanga mulimu amadiini gasibuka wano. Mulimu bali ababahayi tempo omukubo yono, kakati mulimu bannaffe abasiraamu wano wenyini wetulondera, mulimu abalokole, abantu bakkakkamu. Naye oleetera ki emmamba? Kutiisa. So ebitongole ebikuuma ddembe baleese ne baradisi besirabangako. Kasankwa bangabye Kasankwa omukulu oyo baŋŋaye nti mwali yeegiriisa adde eri. Abantu batidde nnyo, babatiisizza nnyo, naye naffe tugenda kudda ku mulamwa gumu, kuddayo ate kukunga abantu bajje.
Nkuba ki gy'ogambye gy'olese empya eyo gy'ogamba nti olina kiwanika sweet cake?
Of course wano bingi nti nzaalibwa wano, nkulidde wano, abantu bonna abali ku ballot paper abantu tebabamanyi. Kyokola leero nabajooze netekeko na ggaali kubanga kati abantu tebakyabalagira. Biri ebyokulagira Haji alagidde gundi alagidde, eno tekikyakola. Kale no kyeŋŋambye nti kabazine essaawa 20 akalulu ka sweet cake ngenze kukasuula. Batugambye nti MU decide wali
30,000 pre-ticked ballot papers in favor of a NUP candidate. But we believe there were more than that. So some of the NUP leaders are on the run. That is why this is the biggest polling area. Mbogo, Kawempe 1, where we have 70 polling stations. None has appeared apart from Mwanga Chivumbi, who has been in Masaka, in Bokoma Nsimbi, returning now. So the other people who are involved in the voter bribery and who wanted to do ballot stuffing are on the run. But police is not, we are not going to rest. We have tasked police to ensure we need justice. We need a fair election, we need justice.
Yes, Honorable, if you may ask, yesterday the EC chairperson, Justice Sebun Diabakama, said that if you have evidence, you have to show it. Does police have this evidence?
No, that is what I've told you. Classified information in special operation, you reserve it yourself. It will be revealed to the rest of the press with the culprits. We have already identified the printing press where they did them on Nkrumah Road and Nasa Road. So the printing press people are cooperating. They are cooperating with security. So as a special operation, let's reserve it and we shall get the fact.
If I may ask, could you tell us some of the MPs that security?
There are quite many. There are many top leaders of NUP. They are top leaders of NUP.
Can you list one or two?
I don't have to. You see, I don't want you to sabotage investigation. Let us preserve the spirit of investigation, but the truth will come out. Today we said enough is enough, no more stealing. You remember the president in the last election, we audited and we found they stole 1.5 million of Muzei's votes. Muzei lost 1.5 million. So now, how do we lose? I want to give you an example. In this election, Segrinya won this same constituency with 40,000 votes in the last election. Now, in this election, you wait. We have over 200 registered voters. Where did the 160 go? So, if Sekirinya got 40, that is what NUP has. We shall get 160 or 100. 60 may not come for voting. So NRM will win by big margin. So what we need to do now as NRM is to safeguard all polling stations. Like we stopped, I've been warning young people in Kawempe not to accept salt. NUP is giving salt, match boxes. NUP is giving, I heard they were giving condoms. They were giving, yes, they were giving those things last night. They were donating condoms. But again, some of the packages they were giving had bed bugs. Yeah, so the problem of Kawempe, one of the problems has been bed bugs. Again, they are spreading more bed bugs. So I'm warning the young people in Kawempe not to take gifts from NUP.
Thank you very much.